Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of luxury, speed, and high-performance cars. If you love supercars, powerful engines, and premium design, you're in the right place. Today, we're featuring an iconic yellow Lamborghini, a supercar known for its aggressive design, extreme performance, and unmatched road presence. In this video, we'll walk you through everything step by step, from why Lamborghini is so famous to its exterior design, engine power, and luxury interior. This video is perfect for car lovers, dreamers, and anyone who wants to experience what a true supercar feels like. So sit back, enjoy the visuals, and let's begin our detailed Lamborghini journey. Lamborghini is not famous by accident. It earned its reputation by refusing to follow normal rules of car design and performance. From the very beginning, Lamborghini focused on building cars that were bold, loud, and emotionally powerful. While many brands aim for balance and practicality, Lamborghini chose drama, excitement, and extreme performance. In the United States, Lamborghini became a cultural icon. It represents ambition, success, and individuality. Celebrities, athletes, and entrepreneurs often choose Lamborghini because it sends a clear message. This is not an ordinary car, and this is not an ordinary lifestyle. The sharp edges, low stance, and aggressive proportions immediately separate it from other luxury cars. The yellow color plays a huge role in Lamborghini's identity. Yellow symbolizes energy, confidence, and dominance. On American roads, a yellow Lamborghini cannot be ignored. It attracts attention at traffic lights, highways, and events. Lamborghini understands that emotion is just as important as engineering, and that is why the brand remains one of the most desired supercar names in the world. The front of a Lamborghini is designed to create instant impact. Everything starts with the low front nose, which keeps the car close to the ground. This improves aerodynamic efficiency and stability, especially at high speeds. The sharp, angular design is inspired by fighter jets, giving the car an aggressive and futuristic appearance. The Y-shaped LED headlights are one of Lamborghini's most recognizable features. They provide excellent illumination while also acting as a signature design element. Even at night, you can instantly identify a Lamborghini from a distance. The front air intakes allow fresh air to flow into the cooling system, helping maintain optimal engine temperature. Carbon fiber components in the front splitter reduce weight and increase downforce. This pushes the car toward the road, improving grip during acceleration and cornering. The bright yellow paint enhances every edge and line, making the front design look sharp, powerful, and intimidating. From the left side, Lamborghini's aerodynamic philosophy becomes even more visible. The body lines are not random. They are carefully shaped to guide airflow smoothly across the car. This reduces drag while improving overall performance. The low roofline and wide stance give the car a planted and aggressive look. The doors, often inspired by Lamborghini's iconic scissor door heritage, add drama and exclusivity. Even when closed, their shape enhances the car's character. The yellow exterior color highlights the sculpted surfaces, making the Lamborghini look fast even when standing still. Large alloy wheels are positioned perfectly within the wheel arches. This improves balance and traction while also contributing to the supercar stance. The left side profile shows Lamborghini's perfect blend of beauty, performance, and racing influence. The right side of the Lamborghini reveals its functional design philosophy. The large side air intakes are essential for feeding cool air into the engine and braking systems. High-performance supercars generate massive heat, and Lamborghini engineers design these intakes to manage extreme temperatures efficiently. These vents also enhance the aggressive styling of the car. Their sharp edges and deep channels add depth and character to the design. Behind the wheels, massive brakes ensure strong stopping power even at high speeds. This level of braking performance is critical for safety and control. From this angle, the Lamborghini looks like a machine built for speed and precision. Every element serves a purpose: cooling, performance, and stability, proving that Lamborghini design is more than just visual drama. The rear of the Lamborghini is bold, wide, and intimidating. The Y-shaped LED taillights mirror the front design, creating visual consistency. These lights are bright, modern, and instantly recognizable, especially at night. The quad exhaust system is responsible for Lamborghini's iconic sound. Each acceleration produces a deep, aggressive roar that defines the supercar experience. This sound is not artificial. It is the natural result of a powerful engine and performance-focused exhaust tuning. The carbon fiber rear diffuser plays a crucial role in aerodynamics. It increases downforce by controlling airflow underneath the car. This keeps the Lamborghini stable at high speeds, especially during aggressive driving. From the rear, the car looks ready to attack the road. At the heart of the Lamborghini lies its powerful engine. Depending on the model, Lamborghini uses naturally aspirated V10 or V12 engines, known for instant throttle response and incredible sound. These engines are built to deliver extreme performance without relying heavily on turbocharging. Lamborghini uses lightweight materials such as aluminum and carbon fiber to reduce overall weight. This improves acceleration, handling, and fuel efficiency. Advanced cooling systems ensure that the engine remains reliable even under extreme driving conditions. Durability is a key focus. Lamborghini engines are tested under high stress to ensure long-term performance. This combination of raw power, precision engineering, and reliability defines Lamborghini's mechanical excellence. Inside the Lamborghini, everything is designed around the driver. The cockpit feels like a fighter jet, with a digital dashboard that displays speed, RPM, driving modes, and performance data clearly. The screen layout is intuitive and easy to read even at high speeds. The flat-bottomed steering wheel enhances control and grip. It allows precise steering inputs, especially during aggressive driving. Paddle shifters behind the wheel enable quick gear changes, keeping the driver fully engaged. Premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber dominate the interior. The yellow accents match the exterior color, creating a cohesive and premium feel. The interior proves that Lamborghini delivers luxury without sacrificing performance. The Lamborghini sports seats are engineered for both comfort and control. Their bucket-style design keeps the driver firmly in place during sharp turns and acceleration. Premium leather with yellow stitching adds a luxury touch while maintaining a sporty look. Despite being a supercar, Lamborghini offers surprising comfort. The seating position is low and engaging, giving the driver a true connection with the road. Visibility, balance, and ergonomics are carefully designed. Driving a yellow Lamborghini on American roads is an unforgettable experience. The sound, speed, and presence create pure excitement. This car is not just transportation, it is emotion, confidence, and passion on wheels.